Hello, this is George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. Hello, Bellamy, Oscar, Penelope, Oreo, Harley, and Marty Cat. Hello, Top Cat. Hello, Bellamy's owner, who is looking for Kitty Cat Long John in the frozen tundras, Wisconsin. This is Pittsburgh Unboxing. This arrived today. I was very surprised that it actually got here. I've ordered 3 keyboards this month. One was sent to me, the wrong keyboard. Kathy returned it. The guy has not received it yet. That was in Los Angeles. I have no idea what happened to it. The other one was sent in Kansas City, and the seller finally, after 3 weeks of all you would get from eBay is crafting a label created, it's now in Minneapolis, and it's probably freezing. Why my keyboard is in Minneapolis, the Macaulay solar keyboard, I have no idea. It may or may not get here. And the guy said if he gets it back, I said, I'm willing to pay for it. I would like a solar keyboard because they can just stick it in the window and charge it. And then this one came today. This was $38.40. And this is the Pebble 2 Combo by Logitech. And this is also a mouse. Very nice box instead of the first clown who sent the keyboard, mouse, and saran wrap. I told him in messages I have a Mac, and that idiot sent me a PC keyboard, which would not work. So, very nice packaging here. Original box packaging with an oh yeah, the guy with the solar keyboard sent the instruction book. I never got that either. He sent it in a separate envelope, so I don't know what happened to that. Alright, this is the keyboard. Now, I've had trouble getting the Bluetooth keyboard to pair with my Mac Mini, so I may have to take my Mac Mini down to the Apple Store. And let's see. Let's see. Most Bluetooth keyboards I've seen in the past have a light. This has no light. And I wonder if he's got batteries in there. Oh boy. Oh. It's got a piece of paper in here with the, here's my handy dandy kniff here. There we go. He's got batteries in it. So he's got a piece of paper blocking the battery. He's got unrechargeable batteries. I have rechargeable batteries for everything. I go through a lot of them. Okay, now maybe. Yes, it is blinking. There you go. So I'll play with this later when I can see the keys and read the instruction manual. So I have this very nice, much smaller than this is my current keyboard, but it's been damaged and coffee spilled on it. So this is about half the size. And then we have, instead of my wired Macaulay mouse, we have this little mouse in a very nice package. I like this. Great way to, I'm going to keep this, and if I travel, I can store my mouse in it. This is a, oh, it's brand new. Wow. There, my whatever it is. Cookies. Did a free food haul earlier live, so you want to watch that. And we'll pull the tab out, be the first to my block. And this, yeah, this is brand new. It's everything here, so. And there we go. Although on these, I can't figure out where the batteries are. I've gotten one of these before, and I gave up. So let's see if this will recognize it. I don't know. Here we go. There it is, Pebble M3. Let's see. Well, doesn't seem to be M350. Oh, it's got 3 settings. Let's see. I don't know why. I've never had a mouse with 3 settings before. I'm not sure. And this is it might need a certain mouse pad. This might have to have a better one than the one I've got. This isn't pairing. I'm going to have to look at the instructions. But anyway, it works. So hopefully I can get the keyboard to work. I'm going to shut this off. And I hope you have a great day. I will look at the instructions later. Try to get this to work. Try to get the keyboard to work. And then I'll have a nice keyboard. And it won't be as heavy as this one. This one, the tray keeps, that's how I spilled coffee on. I would reach my coffee cup. I hit the spoon. Coffee got in it. Missing a key. I couldn't put the shift key back in. And some of the keys are stuck. So I'm hoping I can get this to work. All right. Hope you have a great day. Hi, Spoof. And I don't understand one very strange thing about this. A brand new M1 Mac Mini, and it says TV Samsung TU69T 50-inch television. I don't have a Samsung TV and never have. Now it says LG Web OS TV. Oh, nearby devices. That's why. I didn't realize it said that all this time. My mistake in my eyes and my brain. All right, have a great day. Stay warm and get your friends, neighbors, coworkers, acquaintances to subscribe to the channel and tell them they can join the channel for $3.99 and $6.99 a month. We can see content nowhere else. I put a lot of laundry away last night. There are blankets under there. My hoodie, I got a $100 voucher for clothing. I'm going to go up there when I get a chance and I have to do it within 2 weeks. See if I can get a jacket, a new hoodie, instead of one that's got holes in it. That's very warm, but it's got holes in it. So, and I do feel the cold even in here, so I'm going to go back to bed. Have a great day, kitty cats. Have a great day, Bellamy. Have a great day, Spoof, Tim, and Justin and Jeremy in Minnesota, and everyone else. And I will catch you next time. I'm excited to get that keyboard. Hopefully I can read the instructions to my lantern and get it to work, and then I can put away the Macalli keyboard, have a smaller keyboard, less liable to spill coffee on it. I shouldn't be drinking coffee at this table, but I don't have another table yet. I have a tray table over there. When I clean out everything over here, when I move the clothing rack, then I can put a tray table there. And have my coffee and water and tea and hot chocolate. And last night, very cute, you should watch those videos, Mama Cat was kneading on the bed for 20 minutes, and she went to sleep for 3 hours, and I scratched her head and her ears, and she loves it. You can see her just relaxing. And she, for the first time, she didn't run away when I was sitting on the bed. So she's getting used to me. It takes time to get a feral cat to become a non-feral or a semi-feral cat. I've been feeding Mama Cat and Kitten for 14 years. Kitten is still hiding in the corner of the bedroom. She does come out crying for food, but I don't know if there's another cry she's making. I haven't figured out a meow. Meow, meow. She's very cute. I'm hoping it, but she's not running away from me either anymore. I actually went down the hallway and she scampered into the bedroom, but she's not running away in panic. So she's getting, I tell her, you're my baby. The same thing I told Mama Cat. You're my baby, you're my kitty, you're my love, and I would never hurt you. I love you very much, Mama Cat. You need to come on the bed. The bed loves you too. It knows how much you love to knead and make biscuits, and she did that for a very long time. She's so sweet. She's one of the sweetest and most gentle cats I've ever known or had. I love her very much. All right, that's it for this one. Have a great day. Stay warm, and I will catch you next time. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye, kitties. Bye, Bellamy. See you later.